Want a professional logo, but you're not a designer? In this video, I'll show you how to make designs on Canva. No skills needed. First go to www.canva.com. Then you click on the Sign Up button. Then you sign up with either your Google account, Facebook account, or email account, but I'm going to use my Google account. Then type logo into the search bar. You'll see thousands of free logo templates. Pick one that fits your brand. Next, change the name to your business or brand. Just click the text and type your own name. Choose your favorite font and color scheme. Keep it clean and readable. Keep it simple. If you want, you can add an icon. Click Elements and search for something like a star, camera, or crown, whatever fits your brand. When you're happy with the design, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for best quality. You can even select transparent background if you're on Canva Pro. If you want to remove the background of the logo, you head over to Remove BG. Then you click on Upload Image. Now Remove BG has removed the background. You can now download it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.